this video, we will show you how to make a playlist on YouTube. When you are using YouTube, maybe you are confused how to creating a playlist or how to make a playlist. When you click on the contents, there is the video tab and playlist menu, but there is not to creating a playlist button. How to do that? To create a playlist or make a playlist, you need to click this button and you need to click new playlist here. Then you can fill the title, for example, technology like this, and you can add this description, but this is optional. Okay, you can choose visibility, public, private, or unlisted. If you want everyone can watching your playlist, you need to set to public. Private is for you and unlisted is everyone that have the link can see your video or playlist. Okay, and you need to set the language. For example, you can choose English or not, but this is optional, and you can just add the video for the last. For example, we have this and click done after that, and after that we can edit this playlist later and adding a new video. Just click create. Then in here you will have the playlist. Okay, you can edit this playlist, edit in YouTube like this. Okay, and this is your playlist. You can add the video. Okay, you can edit the playlist and others. Okay, how to back? You can just back here, and when you click the playlist tab here, you will see the pencil icon that you can choose the details and you can edit your playlist here. Okay, you can also adding your playlist video by editing them, okay, via this menu. This is the video. Okay, you can click edit in YouTube and you will see this interface again, and you can adding the video by clicking this menu. And that's all tutorial how to create or make a playlist on YouTube. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.